Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another parcel to open. We're gonna do an unboxing. This one arrived yesterday. It just so happened I didn't manage to catch the courier, and this is a signature required parcel, so I had to go to the post office to pick it up. And there's a lot of people there. It's Saturday, and it's uh, just a half day for the post office. So then again, I did manage to get it right away. So we'll open it up, and see what it is. It's a big, it's a big thing. So see, Miss Parcel. All right, here we go. We're gonna open it up. So this another cool addition to my collection. Right. So just okay. Either my knife is not that sharp, or the very strong plastic. Oh, handcrafted dark indulgent dark ale. No, that's not it. just uh, just properly wrapped. So what is this one? Bought a few stuff recently as well. So just collect and collect if I can, or when I can. All right, here we go. Oh wow! All right. Okay, here we go. And as you know, I collect old Bibles, and this is one old Bibles that I managed to win in a bidding, or it was rather offered to me for a low price, of course. But yeah, this is a great piece of history. It's a very old Bible. It's from 1815. It is very much worn, as you can see, but it is from 1815. Very old. Oh no, not 1815. Sorry, it's 1817. So you can see there. See the one below, 1817. It says Holy Bible, old, containing the Old and New Testament translated out of the original tongues, with the former translations diligently compared and revised, and by His Majesty's special command, okay, appointed to be read in charges. So it's printed by George Eyre and Andrew Strahan, and it is from 1817. The other Bibles I had is George Eyre and Spottiswoode. So this is I think it's an well, it is an earlier version of the other Bibles that I had. I think I don't know if this is my oldest Bible. I forgot. I had a few already that I featured. I think my oldest Bible is 1815 or 1820. I'm not sure. 1825. This might be the oldest that I have now. Let's see. So King James, King of Great Britain, France, and Ireland. Oh wow! So nice, nice piece of history. I don't know. There's chapters. I see chapters. Though I don't know what chapter is it. So it's a old one, eh? Oh, okay, Leviticus. I see Leviticus. So things on the other side. Genesis. Okay, up to. So Leviticus. Deuteronomy, and chapter is on the other side. Kings, Proverbs. Nice one. So I wonder who it belongs to. It's a well-used Bible, as I can see. It's, you know, even the other side, you see, it's already broken. I got it like this. I mean, I see it. That's why it's probably over the on a low price. But it doesn't matter. It's, you know, it's complete still. This Bible doesn't have what do you call that, drawings or calligraphy or what. Oh wow, okay, so here we go. We got dates here. Just it's very hard to read. The writing is very faint. November 1st, 57. Mr. Horton. Finish. What's this? Oh, it's Hebrew. John. It's writings of the what do you call that? The passage in the Bible. John 3:2, Isaiah 40:29-31. Okay. That date 1858. I see. In 1869. Wow. Okay. Somebody's learning. You know. That's why it's well used. See, 1858, 1859. But what I want to see is who owned it before. Because Mr. Horton. No, that's not the name of the owner. And it's a very what do you call that? It's 1850s. This Bible is from 1817. So I don't see the owner. Usually they put names, especially if it's a gift. But I don't see one on this. So nice. Okay. So I have another edition of old Bibles, and I think this is the oldest Bible I have now. It is I think it's leather bounded too. So see, Holy Bible, the design on the edges, very nice. And this is heavy. I don't know, maybe a kilo or so. Nice. I think this is my oldest one. So yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins, stamps, and anything collectible. I guess. I mean, you know, I collect a lot of stuff too, from militaria and Bibles. So thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.